Everything we did was with joy and whimsy and wonder, and that was built in at all layers in the organization. So my name is Katie McCleary, and I am the founding executive director of 916 Inc. 916 Inc. is sort of the perfect storm of excellence. And this got started because there was a group of people who really wanted to see something creative and whimsical happen around storytelling and creative writing in the city. So it was a true collaborative process. We reached out across industries and education schools and writers and artists and people who weren't artists and writers. And we came up together to say, what is this thing that we could create? And I had the great joy to put forth a lot of kind of crazy, wacky ideas, and some worked and some didn't, and other people put forth crazy and wacky ideas. We were truly setting out to kind of disrupt the traditional literacy experience that kids were having. And we just knew that the key was within their story and their voice. And then we just sort of added on a bunch of best practices to that, like publication and parties, and we just really wanted to roll out the red carpet for these kids who were going to become authors. And that's sort of how it all happened.